Hi, this is a Neewer 1 meter photo studio kit carrying bag. This is gonna be a quick review of a new piece of equipment. I have a lot of shoots in the city on different locations and I need to move my lights and stands to the shoot. So I decided to buy a case, my choice between hard cases with wheels, which is a little bit more expensive. I found this bag on Amazon for 159 dirhams or $43, which is 7 times cheaper than Manfrotto hard case with wheels. So I decided to give it a try. It fits a couple of stands under 100 centimeters and I can fit here lights, monolight style lights, softbox and cables. And when the bag is fully loaded, it's almost 20 kilograms and it became hard to carry with the hands. For example, if you need to walk to the metro station, it's about 10 minutes from my home. It's very hard to do it, so I need to buy a trolley with the wheels to use it for long distances. But I can fit it in a taxi at least. Shoulder strap pretty short and it's a maximum length. I cannot make it longer. When it's fully loaded, it's became a bit longer and the strap became shorter. There's a couple straps which you can use for tight the bag, but the plastic on these lockers is very weak, and when the bag is fully loaded, when I'm trying to tie the bag, it's falling apart, so it's not really working. Also, one more cons, has almost no dividers inside. The dividers is very weak again. It's very soft. It's not like even fit in the bag properly. So it's not usable as a divider. So you can pretty much throw it away. So I'm just put the lights and stands and softbox inside without any dividers. You can just use one big compartment here, and here's a second compartment you can use for small things. It's just one compartment on the side of the bag, and it can fit maybe some cables, not all, but I wish to have a couple of these. So what's the positive side of this bag? It's only the price. For $43, at least it can hold a couple stands. I will leave the link below. It's not affiliated, so I don't have any money from this. The Neewer, the brand, didn't pay me. It's just a honest review. See you in the next videos. Bye.